Hi guys, today we are going to see in this video how to make a USB pen drive, a Windows bootable pen drive. First, open any web browser. Type Rufus and search. Click on this link at the top. Now scroll down. Then click on this Rufus portable version and download it. Open the downloaded file. Now plug in the pen you want to make the bootable pen. If you have not downloaded the Windows ISO file, click on the download in this way and then click on the download again. Now you can click on the Windows version and download it from here. I am not going to download it now because I have already downloaded it. I select the downloaded file like this. Now select the partition scheme according to your system. That means the BIOS mode of the computer where you are going to install Windows. If BIOS mode is legacy, select MBR. Select GPT if UEFI. I choose MBR here because my computer BIOS system is legacy. Now click on the Start button. Now wait for the process to complete. Now you have successfully created a Windows USB bootable pen drive. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.